Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you some sad part. I was taking my Dom off the parking like 3 days ago. I was taking it off the parking, taking it outside. I took it upright and then the end torque was way too close to it. So the crash guard was going to hit the end torque out here and could have punctured it. So I was already coming behind too, same position. So I took it back again. I was sitting on the bike, I counterweighted. I added counterweight and tried to push it back, and then it went all the way down here to this side. Fell on the EcoSport's bumper. So this chrome part you see, this whole thing popped out. Okay, started scratching it from here. It's got some marks here too, and then the silver part from here fell off. Not much damage here. I didn't hurt myself too. I was wearing a helmet and I think helmets fell somewhere here on the car. My head banged there somewhere, but no damage, luckily not much damage there. This is small damage, it can be done. But my handguard from the KTM, this thing broke off. So I'll be doing a small DIY video, on how to fix this thing. It's not expensive, I can buy a fresh one, but I always wanted to play around with this one and make some changes to this, which I'll keep a secret as of now. I won't let you know what. Since this is, the plastic is soft, I can easily modify stuff on this. I always wanted to do stuff on this, so maybe I get a new pair for this bike, and then do some DIY on the old one. So I'm not sure when I'll do that, but major loss was the Autologue Visor that was out here, that broke off. I'll leave some pictures of this broken parts in the video somewhere at the end. And it uprooted my rubbers from this part and this part. This one is intact, this one is intact. So now I've already ordered the new Autologue Visor again, once more. So headed there. Maybe I'll continue the video after reaching there. One good part was I had taken off the tank shrouds and Autologue front fender, because after installing the anti-vibe kit from Bajaj like 3000 kilometers ago, the bike now is vibrating like hell. All the DIYs that I had done inside for reducing the vibes in the tank, it started vibrating again from there. So I'm playing around with the vibration, anti-vibrations. To reduce the vibrations. I'm playing around. So that is the reason why I kept them at home. They were safe in my cupboard. So I'm lucky that at least they didn't break. But the bike fell in such a way on this side that even those things would have broken off. Finally, the bike landed on this crash guard out here. Okay, the bike fell off on this part. You can see it's scratched out here. No other part was damaged. This got damaged because it hit the EcoSport. Even the visor, because it hit the EcoSport, that got damaged. Otherwise, I guess everything would have been fine. This guard helped me a lot. So thank you to SVS. And now heading to Autologue to get the new visor. Here's the GT Continental of Autologue. I've reached here, and we're getting a fly screen installed as of now. The latest V5 is what we're going to install on the Domi as of now. That's our Irfan bhai. He does most of the installations at Autologue, and he's installing this fly screen now on the bike. So this again is a very pretty simple mount. You just put the 4 screws back. 2 of my rubbers were damaged, so I had taken them from Bajaj. So this is the part number if anyone wants them. Okay, this is not of Dominar, it's of AS200, but it matches our Dominar bolts very well. So these are 8 number bolts, and the rubbers also are of 8 number threadings inside, and they match perfectly. So the bike is now washed and all. It looks a bit better. It's not perfectly washed, but there were rains again last night, so it got a bit dirty again. But I wanted to conclude this video. So I got the fly screen from Autologue for as of now. There are paint damages also. I saw it later while installing this. So I've yet to do that DIY on the EcoSport, where I have to remove the color with rubbing. This is still there. I'm not sure when I'm going to get that time, but I'll soon do it. So the fly screen, I rode it in the city, and it acts pretty much, like our current stock visor. So if any of you guys, don't like the stock visor or want little bit higher but not very high, then you can go in for the fly screen. Or if your stock visor has got damaged somehow and Bajaj does not have stock or is taking too long, you can always order the fly screen from Autologue and keep and use this as and when, use this till you get the actual visor from Bajaj. But otherwise, I'm pretty happy with the fly screen. Good amount of space over here if you want to keep your small knickknacks while purchasing or something, doing some local purchases. So that is useful. Now, looks wise, many may not like the looks, but many may. I mean, at least I've liked it. So those who like it can order it from Autolog. I'll leave a number and Instagram ID, Instagram details of Autolog, so you can get in touch with them. So looks are absolutely subjective. Some may like it taller, some may like it shorter, some may like it transparent, and some may like it opaque. So for me, this design is good enough for the city. As I said earlier, I'm going to have the taller visor used while I'm on rides. It's just 4 screws, so not much of time for installation is required. So and yes, it is not a visor, it's a fly screen. I mean, it's not going to give you wind blast protection. I mean, if you need proper wind blast protection, then you need to take the taller visor from Autolog. But yes, it does the work. It's of the looks, for me at least. So I'm pretty happy with it. So if you guys have any questions regarding this, please do let me know, and I'll try to answer them at the earliest. If you're watching this video for the first time on my channel, if you're on my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel. I put in a lot of efforts for such small things on my channel. Many small DIYs, quick DIYs are there out on my channel. Please do have a look at all the videos. There are more than 100 videos on Dominar. I've of late added the 2019 Dominar review also, compared it with my bike. What all mods can you easily carry forward on your bike, on your 2017 or 18 bike, and what you cannot. So please do have a look at that also. If you like this video, do hit the like button. And yes, I've already told you, if you have any questions, please do ask me, and I'll try to answer them at the earliest. Thanks for watching. This is Dipen from Pune.